My name is Richard Guerrero. I go by Rick, and I'm a welder, fabricator, fitter. I went from being a temp to get hired on the payroll in 2001. Was working as all the different welding processes, fitting and welding, and operating the shop cranes. Went to the CAD line, enjoyed that. Was promoted to lead B and then lead A, and then doing safety in the shop here. And then I went back to fabricator on the floor. It kind of keeps me grounded. I like doing it, being on the floor more than in the office. I like it. I like building stuff. I always have. We build anything here that the pipe designers, engineers can dream up. Anything that's not routine, anything that's not standard. Manways, outlets, crotch plates, elbows, large diameter, heavy wall thickness, anything that they can design for water transmission, we can build it here. In the morning, it's a fresh start. If we've completed a task the day before and we're going to start fresh in the morning, we'll get with our lead men. We'll go and check our drawings. We'll verify all those things with job specs and dimensional checks, record everything on our paperwork. We'll call for QC inspection, and then they'll okay that for welding, and they'll proceed with a welder. It's one of those things that when you see the drawing and you start working on a project, you wonder how do they think of stuff like this, and then we build it. So it's very rewarding to have that. I look back at the turning point in my life when I needed somebody to give me a break, and I got a break, and I came into work here, and I've never regretted. We build stuff here that I'm very proud of. Stuff that I take pictures of that I show my wife. Sometimes my in-laws ask me, what do you do? And I show them pictures. I say, yeah, you really do that? You really build stuff like that? Stuff that's big or bigger than the trucks at home. You come in here young, establish yourself as a good worker, and spend a career building and growing. And Northwest Pipe could be the catalyst for your deployment to do that.